So this I got as a gift on my birthday. Unfolding the envelope first. Please help me. पढ़ के सुनाइए अपनी आवाज़ में।
तुम कोई और नहीं, मेरा आसमां मेरी ज़मीं हो। हाँ तुम वही हो, सदियों तक जिसे पाना चाहा, अब जन्मों तक जिसे पा लिया। मेरी दिल की खुशी, मेरे हर लम्हे की बंदगी। हाँ बस तुम ही हो, हाँ तुम वही हो, जिसे गुमनामी और बदहवासी में भी पुकारा। मेरी चुप्पी और मेरी आवाज़ भी तुम हो। हाँ तुम वही हो, कुछ खोऊं कुछ पाऊं, मेरी रूह, मेरी हर खूबी, मेरी हर कमी तुम ही हो। हाँ तुम वही हो, जो न मेरे शब्दों में बयां हो, न मेरी कविता में। ऐसी अनकही दास्तां तुम ही हो। हाँ तुम वही हो, बस अब क्या कहूँ क्या ना कहूँ, मेरे कहने में, मेरे ना कहने में भी तुम ही हो। हाँ तुम वही हो, मेरी मुस्कान, मेरी आंसुओं की नमी जो है, मेरे दिल की धड़कन में और उसकी गहराई में जो है। हाँ तुम वही हो, हाँ तुम बस तुम, सिर्फ तुम वही हो।
Thank you, thank you. Now comes this. I got to stick here. This Dil Maage More. I love my eyes when you look into them. I love my name when you say it. I love my heart when you touch it. I love my life when you are in it. Preeti Sajan. This is really good, cute. So the papers are getting stuck.
Now this is complete.
Nice, nice. Okay. My thought of the day is you. Okay. थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टिक हो गया है because of glue and all. Nice. See, creativity. Okay, this kind of cool stuff. You are my sunshine on a rainy day. So I love you to the stars and moon back. My love is all yours. Love you from heart.
So love this.
Together. So these two lovebirds are enjoying a ride. So what is this? Oh, nice one. Okay, so what we have, I'm yours, all my till my last breath. Do you know that you are my life? In my prayers, you are the only wish I want. I'm yours for next 7 hours. My day starts with you and ends with you. I see myself in your eyes. You are in my heartbeat. Cool, cool. Thank you. Cheers to the new beginning. Wish you a great year ahead. Do you know what? Yeah, open it. To me after I meet you. Check below my. What is this?
This is me, and
Acha.
in my heart you are there.
Check below my condition.
Hmm.
You're in my heart. Okay. I'm
I'm mad
mad. What mad? You're mad.
for you.
Oh, you're mad for me.
This is me, and inside
Okay,
this you are there.
this is me inside your heart. Good. Good one.
Just 1 minute. Let me close this.
Okay. बन जा तू मेरी रानी. But you are already a Rani.
Then I was not, na?
Then also you are Rani, no? Okay. So
तो LOL हो गया.
will you be my queen? Happy proposed day. Okay. So this is in a sequence, right?
Yeah.
So this is proposed day. Then what we have? No, it would be good to remember like this. Proposed day, then the chocolate days, then you are my teddy bear.
Teddy day.
Okay. And then what we have? We have a promise day. Nice song there. I love the sun. Okay. Now what we have? Happy Valentine's Day. And we got that Titanic pose. My Kate. Miss Kate Winslet.
Yes. So this was actually Rose Day.
Okay. Yeah, the first one, no?
Yes.
Okay, so what we have next? तुम्हें छोड़कर कहाँ जाऊंगी, तुमसे दूर हुई तो मर ही जाऊंगी, जान से ज़्यादा तुम्हें चाहूँगी, बिन तेरे कहाँ जाऊंगी, चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे दूर ना रह पाऊंगी. Nice one. Okay. So my birthday wishes from you.
For you.
For you. Love you a lot. Wishing you a very happy birthday, my love. I wish you. Okay, this is the first birthday present, na? I wanna travel with you this whole world. For you, my travel partner. And to your favorite place too, Andaman. Nice. Okay.
You're the source of my joy,
The center,
the
of,
center
my
of
world.
my world, and the world of my heart.
Okay, what is this? When I tell you I love you, I'm not saying it out of hurt. I'm reminding you that you are my life. I did not. What is this?
I did not need paradise because I found you.
I don't need
dreams because I already have you.
everything I look, I am remain of you. Love, you are my world. Nice, great. Color, I'm not able to see clearly. Okay, open me. Okay. करवटों में तुम, ख्यालों में तुम, यहाँ तक कि कल के सवालों में तुम, और कितनी दफ़ा और कैसे कहूँ, मेरी मुस्कान में तुम, मेरी आंसू में भी तुम. Sometimes
Something is here.
okay, something is here with you.
For
What?
you.
Okay.
I'm with you, yeah.
तेरे बिन जिए कैसे हम, तुझसे कहे कैसे हम, हज़ार बात है तुमसे कहनी है, बस ये एक बात कैसे कहें हम. You just said no.
No, this one is over
Achha.
with this.
Okay, cancel. Okay, so this is on our wedding day, no?
Before that.
Okay.
this is that.
अच्छा.
शब्दों का शब्दकोश खाली लगता है, क्या लिखूं तुम्हारे लिए, मुझे शब्द नहीं मिलते, जाने कितने और कौन कौन से दरवाजे खटखटाए मैंने उस रब के, वरना तुम जैसे शख्स कहाँ मिलते मुझे इस जिंदगी में.
Thought to be lucky. अच्छा. See. ये शादी का ना?
Our new life, yeah.
New life. Beginning.
Beginning.
ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है, तुम और मैं अब हम हो गए। दिस वन इज अ नाइस फोटो, आई लव दिस पिक। मेरे हाथों में तुम्हारे नाम की मेहंदी, मेरे
माथे पे
तुम्हारे नाम का सिंदूर,
मेरे गले में तुम्हारे नाम का मंगलसूत्र, मेरे दिल में तुम्हारे नाम की धड़कन।
कितना लिखूं
और क्या क्या लिखूं, 7 जन्मों तक तुम्हारे नाम की
कोई
हो।
सिंदूर मेरे,
हम्म,
7 जन्मों तक तुम्हारे नाम
की हो सिंदूर
की
में।
हो सिंदूर मेरे। ओके, आई लव यू राज।
This was the Valentine's Day
Valentine's Day.
after engagement.
Okay, this is a honeymoon trip, no?
Yes.
We went to where?
Mountains.
Mountains. Please tell me the place.
Manali.
Manali. So this was all from Shillong Valley.
Shillong Valley.
Nice.
In the snow.
Skate. We went for skating, no?
Yes.
Ice skating, huh?
Yes.
Acha, this was on an anniversary, na?
This was
First
our
dance.
engagement. 10th November.
This was our engagement.
Our first dance together.
I said anniversary, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. See, you made all this beautiful thing for me, and I'm forgetting everything. Like this.
This is Makar Sankranti.
So as you have all the plans together, like this, your soul fry, high fi. But be humble like you are. Yeah, I'm always happy Makar Sankranti. Okay. Please read this for me.
I see my future and my next 7 birth with you, my love.
Okay.
We see together our life. Love you, love you, love you.
So you're trying to see our future together. You're pointing it out. Good.
This is after engagement when we first met.
Nice. Oh, Mr. Yak is also there. See how cool we are looking.
Have all adventure together. This is all I want to do.
With you forever.
Yeah.
Yep.
One of
Have a
our
close
favorite
look for each
pictures.
other. Yes, this one is my favorite pic because this is the first pic which we took together, right? And we are so comfortable, and this camera guy was giving us different poses and all. See how nervous I'm there. See,
Hands were shivering.
good. So this is on Pune airport, no? No.
Not Pune.
This is Decathlon, no?
Pune SJ Small.
Achha.
SJ Small.
It's just small. Okay.
After Decathlon.
Okay, so when we were happily married.
In Pune, and this was at Basti.
Basti, hometown.
This is our Goa trip.
Yeah, this is our Goa trip. Love is in the air. Yes, it is. See, this was Chhat Puja, first Chhat Puja.
And then my first Tej.
My first Tej for you. Okay, our New Year celebration.
Together, first New Year.
Just guessing what was in this. Our smile, our pose, our what?
Love our day.
Acha, our love, our day. Nice. Good one.
This is the saddest part.
When we were far but yet close, yeah. So we got married on 26th Feb, and after 2 months, so lockdown came, and like I was in Bangalore and you were in Pune.
Not 2 months. We got married on 26th Feb, and then we reached to our destination. I reached to Pune and you reached to Bangalore on 13th March, and 13th March, yeah. And then after that on
23rd of March, no, lockdown came.
lockdown, 2020.
Then I like up March, April, May, June, right?
Yeah, you
So on
came
June I came.
Yes.
June. So yeah. कब के बिछड़े फिर मिले.
This was my Tej photo.
Beach, yes. See, Goa pic, no?
This is Goa. This is Manikaran.
Manikaran, yeah. Hey, which place this was? कौन सा बाबा?
Pilot Baba
Pilot Baba.
at Sasharam.
Hey guys, please check this out. This Pilot Baba.
A lot of money spent there.
Lot of money. Seems like a total. Okay. This is our first pick, no?
Yeah.
No, not first pick.
Not first pick. Actually, this was after engagement when you
Hmm.
came to play.
Hmm.
So your tummy was not there.
Hmm.
There's one more.
Okay.
This was all Goa.
This is all Goa. Because of that white paper, no, the pictures got to stick to it. Yeah, we'll work on it to clear this.
That's it.
That's it. Thank you. Thank you. What a lovely gift. I couldn't have asked for more. This is the best gift I've ever got. Thank you.